An AI system can now unlock the mysteries of genetic dark matter that drive diseases, while another AI is reshaping how we develop materials for batteries, quantum computers, and more. On top of that, doctors could soon diagnose patients faster using AI-powered X-ray analysis, starting with an incredible project from Columbia University Vagelos College of Physicians and Surgeons, where researchers have developed a groundbreaking AI method to predict gene activity in any human cell. Imagine a system capable of analyzing any type of cell, healthy or diseased, and accurately identifying which genes are active. This isn't just guesswork or basic biology, it's powered by advanced AI that processes enormous datasets from millions of cells, identifying patterns far beyond the reach of traditional experimental methods. And this isn't just theoretical. The AI was trained on actual data from over 1.3 million human cells, giving it an unparalleled ability to predict gene expression. But why is this important? Well, if we can reliably determine how a cell behaves by analyzing which genes are active, we can also predict how it might react to something like a cancer-causing mutation. Think of it as decoding a cell's internal instruction manual. Traditional biology has always been more descriptive, showing us what a cell looks like once it's already unhealthy. But this new approach transforms biology into a predictive science, allowing us to foresee cellular behavior before changes occur. That's the game changer. One of the key figures behind this innovation is Raul Rabadán, a systems biology professor at Columbia. He highlights the limitations of typical experiments, which show how cells react in specific environments, but can't predict how they might behave in entirely new scenarios. This is where AI comes in. By harnessing AI, researchers are essentially teaching the system the grammar of gene regulation. It's similar to how ChatGPT learns the rules of human language. This AI learns how different segments of DNA interact, how accessible they are, and how they influence gene activity. Here's the truly astonishing part. Once the AI has mastered this genomic grammar, it can analyze completely unfamiliar cell types, even diseased ones it has never encountered before, and predict which genes will be active. And it's not just theoretical. The AI's predictions have been tested and align closely with real experimental data, proving its accuracy. This isn't just a concept for the future. One of the first practical applications has been in studying an inherited form of pediatric leukemia. With these advancements, we're not just uncovering the mysteries of biology, we're rewriting the way we approach it, moving closer to predictive, personalized medicine. Children who inherit a specific mutated gene are at risk of developing abnormal blood cells, but the exact mechanism behind this was unclear. The AI, however, predicted that the mutation disrupts the interaction between two critical transcription factors, proteins that determine which genes a cell activates or deactivates. Essentially, this mutation reroutes how leukemia cells grow and develop. Lab experiments later confirmed the AI's prediction, opening up the possibility for targeted therapies. Once researchers understand which interactions are malfunctioning, they can explore ways to correct them. But perhaps the most groundbreaking aspect of this AI model is its ability to investigate what scientists often refer to as the genome's dark matter. Borrowed from cosmology, dark matter in genetics describes the vast portions of DNA that don't directly code for proteins. Interestingly, most cancer-causing mutations are found in these regions. Although these mutations might not damage proteins outright, they can significantly influence how genes are turned on or off, contributing to diseases in ways researchers are only beginning to understand. Rabadán's team believes their AI model can shine a light on these hidden regions by predicting how mutations there might affect gene activity. This research, published on January 8, 2025, in Nature under the title A Foundation Model of Transcription Across Human Cell Types, represents a major step forward. It was authored by a team including Zifu, Shentong Mo, Alejandro Buendia, Anuchka P. Laurent, and many others, who collectively are ushering in a new era of biology. They're essentially saying, welcome to a future where AI can drive revolutionary advances, not just incremental ones. But if that's not exciting enough, there's even more happening in the AI landscape. Two groundbreaking papers, one in Nature and another in Nature Machine Intelligence, highlight innovations that could dramatically accelerate scientific discovery. Microsoft Research, collaborating with academic and private sector partners, is spearheading generative AI foundation models on Microsoft Azure. These efforts are being applied to two transformative fields: materials discovery and radiology. Let's start with materials science. Throughout history, new materials have been pivotal to human progress, from the steel in skyscrapers to the silicon chips in computers. But developing new materials is often a painfully slow and expensive process. Typically, scientists sift through or test millions of possibilities to find a breakthrough, and even then, success isn't guaranteed. Enter MatterGen, a generative AI model similar to text-to-image AI, but designed for materials. Instead of endlessly searching through a vast universe of potential substances, researchers can simply input the desired properties, like creating a battery material that holds a charge for a specific duration at a particular temperature. MatterGen then generates a blueprint for a material that fits the requirements. Remarkably, the first time scientists synthesized a material generated by MatterGen, its properties were within 20% of the targeted values. For an initial attempt, that's incredibly promising. Imagine reducing years of trial and error to mere months or even weeks. Whether it's designing better batteries for sustainable energy, superconductors for quantum computing, or advanced polymers for medical devices, this approach could revolutionize industries at an unprecedented speed. Tian-Si, from Microsoft's AI for Science group in Cambridge, emphasizes that material innovation has always been a driving force in human history. And now, with AI-powered tools like MatterGen, we might be on the brink of another transformative leap forward. If we can leverage this AI for materials discovery, the ripple effects could transform industries like energy, healthcare, and beyond. Now, let's talk about the second major breakthrough from Microsoft Research, a system called RAD-DINO, developed in collaboration with the Mayo Clinic, aimed at transforming radiology. This project is starting with X-ray data. RAD-DINO is a foundation model that can interpret both text and images. It's not just analyzing X-ray images, it's also reading radiology reports, identifying patterns, and even generating new text to describe what it observes in an X-ray. One of the biggest challenges in radiology is the time doctors spend reviewing images to determine, for instance, whether a chest X-ray shows improvement or deterioration compared to previous scans. By automating parts of this process, RAD-DINO allows clinicians to focus on more nuanced and complex decisions. The model can generate detailed reports highlighting subtle changes, such as tube misplacements or slight improvements, faster than a human could. This means doctors could make diagnoses and treatment plans more quickly, which is often critical in emergencies. Now picture how this could look in a hospital setting. A new patient comes in, gets an X-ray, and the image is fed into RAD-DINO. Within minutes, the system flags potential issues. Maybe a catheter is incorrectly positioned, or an anomaly from a previous scan has worsened. Physicians receive a concise summary and can immediately decide on the next steps without hours of manual analysis. The Mayo Clinic, one of the world's top hospitals, is collaborating with Microsoft to ensure that RAD-DINO meets the highest standards of safety and quality. The ultimate goal here is clear: faster, more accurate medical care. According to Chris Bishop, Microsoft's AI for Science director, these models aren't limited to radiology. They're capable of learning the languages of molecules and proteins, potentially accelerating drug discovery and improving disease diagnosis. Both of Microsoft's latest projects, MatterGen for materials discovery and RAD-DINO for radiology, have been published in Nature and Nature Machine Intelligence. By sharing these advancements openly, Microsoft aims to fast-track innovation and address major scientific challenges. Of course, challenges like data quality and ethical concerns remain, especially in healthcare. But as these AI tools continue to evolve, so will their potential to deliver massive benefits. Safer treatments, stronger materials, and faster breakthroughs are just the beginning. So if you're passionate about AI and its potential, these advancements are definitely worth following. Share your thoughts on where you think these technologies might lead next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.